What does the name meaning of Shans? What does the name meaning of Shans? What does the name meaning of Shans? The name Shans means is princess. The name Shans means is princess. The name Shans means is princess. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Lucky number is 2. Lucky number is 2. Lucky number is 2. Lucky number is 2. Suitable color is yellow, white, light green. Suitable color is yellow, white, light green. Suitable color is yellow, white, light green. Suitable stone is diamond. Suitable stone is diamond. Suitable stone is diamond. Suitable day is Friday, Saturday. Suitable day is Friday, Saturday. Suitable day is Friday, Saturday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.